Speaking of Florida, we were in Florida.
They get like close to
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
And we were, actually it was Jessica
Oh.
and Christopher, that was much smaller, so they were swimming in the ocean, and they had lifeguards there, and then I saw the fish waxing and
Oh
licking
no!
lashes, and I said, get out of the water.
You want to be in the water.
And I went to the lifeguard, and I said, what about all these other people? And he looked at me and went, huh? Yeah, I was like, okay,
There's always another tourist.
Yeah.
I'm getting out of here. I don't know about you.
No kidding.
These bolts coming down.
Man.
And they're in the
Wake
water.
up.
In the water, yeah, that's not good. Exactly.
Wake up. You're biting them.
Yeah, they get wicked thunderstorms. They've gone down a few times when they pass. They don't last long.
No, they go really quick, but I've never experienced it.
Wake up.
No,
That looks pretty scary.
See, that one's a troublemaker.
Which one?
Oh, that's Mambo. That's not what I had.
In Toronto?
yeah, it was years and years and years ago. I was living down in Toronto, and sitting in my
You
apartment,
sleep with the basketball.
and everything starts to shake. And I'm like, and sure enough,
Oh no.
yep, they complained.
Oh no.
Enough to shake, didn't cause much damage, it was enough that you could feel it.
Oh no.
It really did everything.
Everybody attack him because he was sleeping.
The whole thing was awesome.
Fell asleep with your shoes on in a party.
It was pretty good on the
Sit on his face.
But yeah, and it was somewhere over like towards Quebec, the epicenter. And we do get them occasionally, eh?
That one's trying to get your
There
toe.
was this one last year too, but because it's Canadian Shield and such hard rock, I guess you just don't get the same. It's not as fluid, so it's not you don't get as much
Goes back to
damage
that.
as you have them.
Finish him.
But you get them. I mean, they're all over wherever you fall, right? But
Nope.
yeah, that was
No.
the weirdest thing. That was amazing. That was one of the other ones they've had.
No sleeping.
So we got friends in
Oh no.